Hey guys, I'm Shawn of webpianoteacher.com. Today we're going to learn how to play Lynyrd Skynyrd, Call Me the Breeze. Let's take a listen. All right guys, webpianoteacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there across the world who are trying to learn to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. That's what I'm here to help you to do. Let's get started with this. All right, guys, we are using the Kwai MP11 SE. A neat little thing you can do if you have one of these at home, just hit the effects button right here on the piano bank here, and you get this little sound. Kind of a neat thing you can do just to hit one button and sound that way. All right, so we are going to do the whole thing for this. This is, I can't pass up a good guitar part. So I'm not going to just say, well, let's wait till the piano comes in. We're going to learn how to play the guitar part on piano. We're also going to learn note for note all the piano solos, all the piano fills in this. This is full of that. If you haven't listened to the song lately, go back and listen to all the wonderful piano licks and stuff that's in this. It's just a joy to play it. It's so fun. All right, let's get started with this part one lesson. All right, so I like to start off with a little glissando. And, there's no piano at the beginning, but who cares? Let's play it anyway. And when you do your glissando, I recommend not using your thumb. A lot of us were taught use the thumbnail and do that. Man, there's two reasons I don't want to do that. One is it's going to just take the hide off of my hand there, off my thumb, and I'll have a sore very quickly. The other reason is you hear clickety-clack as you're going down, and you have that extra noise that nobody wants. If you just use your hand, your fingers, just do that. All right? That's what I'm going to do. So a little glissando, and then I'm going to hit an A octave with my left hand after this glissando. So there's my A octave, and then I'll come in with my right hand with an E and an A. That's my sign for a glissando, by the way, the little downward arrow, squiggly arrow, okay? Come in with an E and an A and open fourth. All right, guitars always have those open fifth, open fourth sounds, those power chord things. So that's what we're going to do. 1 and 2. Bum, bum, bum. So now 1 and 2. Then I'm going to play the left hand again, A. Then I'm going to hit G and C, back to E and A. So let's try that. 1, 2, ready, go. 1. And as far as the pedal goes, I'm not even on it really. I'll only use it to connect notes once in a while. I will not use it to hold notes over because, the guitars aren't doing that. It'll just ruin it if I do that. So bump, 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 bump. Now there's a couple of guitars going on here. I kind of put them together, okay? Da 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 da. So I'm going to go A, C, A, G with 2, 1, 2, 3, da 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 da. Then I'm going to hit an octave. Like that. As I hit that octave, I'm going to hit that E and A again. Right? Some of you guys, if you're trying this, you love the song, you want to play it, but you're not at this skill level yet, I really do recommend clicking WPT University at the top of our webpage and getting the Easy Piano Lesson Series for a beginner crash course and how to get going here with piano lessons, something you can handle so you can work up to this so you're not frustrated. All right, so 1 and 2, 3, and ba-da-da-da. A lot going on there. Now we just continue that in measure 2, another E-A 2 times, and then a G-C with 2, 5, one more A octave on the left hand. So it's 1, bum, bum, bum. Let's go that far. Ready and go. 1. Now we have this ra-ba-ba-bum. So I'm just gonna put something on piano to kind of make the sound of that guitar. So I'm going to go B, C, C sharp with 1, 2, 3. Just roll up on it. And then I'm going to come under with my thumb. E, F sharp with 1, 3. And then an A with a 5th finger. You can also put an E in there. I've been doing that. Maybe another E there. Okay? So if I put that on the end, I have 1 and 2, 3, and... Now that repeats 4 times because the guitar keeps doing that. And then there's another guitar that comes in and plays on top. But I think it's sufficient for us just to play this 4 times on the piano. So let's just do it maybe 2 times. 1, 2, ready, go. 1. You can also move it up an octave on the right. All right, then we would, continue from there. That's just the very beginning. There's a lot more to do in this, and you could easily spend a couple of weeks, couple of months on this on webpianoteacher.com. But remember, if you are a member, you can download the sheet. That's very helpful for something like this, so you can zoom in, in high detail and see little details. Also for zooming out and seeing large sections, or just printing it out so you can write on something. That's a good way to practice as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the part 1. Talk to you later.